2021, Saturday morning here, really cold, about 9 degrees. I got like 3 calls to do this morning. Well, I got one here, the lady said she got a zone valve and one of the zones isn't working. I know she's got a bunch of zone valves there. She wants me to come out this morning and see if I can fix it. A lot of people with no heat, I mean, you can't leave them, it's so cold out, so I tried to tell her how to bypass it, but she doesn't comprehend. So we're on our way over there now. I had to leave the dog home, it's so cold out. I don't want to be in the truck, freezing truck here. Try to get you some shots.
I couldn't get you to come.
So you definitely pull this down. This was the one that wasn't working.
Yeah.
Seems like it's working. That's the first floor?
Yes.
Let's see if we got any voltage there. Hold on. Woo.
Yeah, it was 66 when I came down. I was like, boy.
And you got the thermostat turned up?
I had it at 70 overnight.
What's it at now?
It's at 73 and it's only reading 68.
Alright, let's see if we're getting any power between 1 and 2 here. 1 and 2. We've got 28 volts there.
Is that good or bad?
That should be. Seems like it's calling.
Well, it's calling since I pushed the button. It wasn't calling before. It was frozen, cold.
Unless it's not opening. Doesn't seem to be firing the boiler. Let's take off 3. It's kind of loose as a goose there. We'll take off 3 and see if we got continuity between 2 and 3 and 2 and 3, and then now that's what fires the boiler. Let's see if we got continuity. If not, the head's bad.
I mean, this is really getting
Oh, we got a good. We got a. I should be firing the boiler. Unless we got a bad circulator. Might have a bad circulator. Is there antifreeze in the system, or you're not sure?
I have no idea. You're the man. You're the one that takes care of it. I have not. I know nothing.
Let's see if we got any power going to the. Our limit's at 180. I don't think the circulator's circulating. I think that's what the problem is. It's running. I could hear the circulator circulating. We might just be frozen up. Huh? Might just be airbound. Let me get a hose and we'll see if we can purge some water. We got the returns here. I'll get my hose on this thing, see if we can purge it. It seems to be calling. I think it's just airbound.
Okay, now I can hear you.
I think it's just airbound. Let me get my hose. You don't have antifreeze in the system that you know of, right?
No, not that I know of. Does this system take antifreeze?
Well, no. Sometimes they put them in if it ever froze on you.
Yeah.
Has it ever froze on you? No.
No.
Okay, that's good.
What do you need?
Alright, so we'll open this one. This one. Because that's on the It's coming back on the return. We'll see if we can get any. Hopefully it's not frozen.
Oh, good. That's all I need.
It might be that it's just yeah, it seems like there's air in there. Seems like there's air in there. Yeah, definitely air. It's airbound.
Oh. That's better than being frozen?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Definitely air. I can feel it.
It's almost like it was shaking when I touched it. Very minor, but what do I know?
Just that one zone you're having problems with?
So far, the upstairs looks warm. I haven't checked the basement yet. I'll go down. I turned the heat on in the basement just
Coming back warm now, so.
my
Pull
brother-in-law
that hole, your brother-in-law what?
always tells me there's not much to go wrong with that furnace, but there are things.
Tell if there's any water coming out, right? Watch the end of the hose.
Yeah,
Water coming out?
yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Plenty.
Yeah.
Full force.
Alright. The only other one that might be an issue is this second floor one, because all the other ones are hot. Let's do this one.
All right.
The second floor while I'm here. All the other ones seem hot. Open that up and shut this off. This other one we could open. This is the second.
There's water coming out.
Is there water coming out?
Yeah.
Just run it till it comes back nice and hot.
My daughter's on her way to get her first COVID injection.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Are you going to do it?
Yeah, but it's hard to get it right now. You can't get on to make an appointment. So. She's a physical therapist, so she's in the phase.
Oh, yeah, phase one.
Yeah.
I mean, you could get it too if you wanted. No, over a certain age.
Yeah, I'm 79, so I'm above 75.
Yeah, this one's coming back nice and warm. I don't think there's any air. Just air in the first floor one, seemed like.
Oh, okay. Now, looking at this apparatus being 22 or 23 years old.
Watch your stepping.
No, I'm not. Should those zones valves be changed, or?
Well, as they break, we change them.
Say again?
Well, as they let loose, we'll change them.
Okay, okay.
Why spend money unless you have to? Right?
I know. You're right. You can give me that. I'll drag it out this way. Or
Yeah,
it's
just
still
grab
water.
that and put it on the porch, because I gotta drain the water out, because if not, it'll freeze in my. All right, they're both warming up now. First and second. They're both calling. This one here. Basement's coming back nice and toasty. This one's coming back. It was just those two that weren't coming back. I'll give it a minute. Might have just been air in the lines. Alright, so first floor's calling. Yeah, she's coming back smoking hot now. Second floor's not calling. The thermostat must be off. And these other two are coming back nice and toasty. First floor zone, airbound. Huh?
I was going to say the thermostat upstairs is set at 72.
What's it, is it 72 up there?
Let me go look.
It must be, because it's not calling. The complaint was the first floor, right? Not the second? How warm is it up there? It's not calling. It's not. Yeah, it's not calling, so.
It's 75, set at 75, and it's 72 up there.
Okay, well, it's not calling because I got no voltage. So it's just that it's, you know, there's probably a difference between the two, because it's not calling for. It's not calling. It's not calling. There's no 24 volts there, so it's not calling.
Is that bad?
No, it's just that if you want more heat, you got to turn it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's working. The first floor one is definitely coming back nice and hot. Okay?
Yeah.
And all the other ones are working.
Okay.
I mean, the system is getting old, but she's still working, so we leave it, right?
Well, what the hell am I going to do? I'd have to get a whole new system.
We'll just fix it as it breaks.
What is the cost to get a new system?
Like
Approximately.
this thing?
Yeah.
I'd have to look. This is a big boiler.
Yeah.
It's a big beast. Yeah, last time I was here I ran all zones okay, ran first zone working okay at this time. Yeah, I was here about a year ago. That's it.